We were walking in a new neighborhood that Ahmad noticed this very old house. Hello, this is Ahmad and Nafisa. We were walking in an unfamiliar neighborhood when Ahmad noticed this very old house. We are both architects and have a special interest in Iranian architecture. So we got super excited and went to see what's going on. According to the architectural style, I estimate the age of this building to be about 300 years old. Oh my god. Oops, an old well. Too dangerous. So beautiful and so well kept. Oh my god. This is my heaven. Look at this door. This room leads to the outside of the main space of the house, which means that the room was for a stranger or male guests who didn't want to stay for long. I don't know where this hallway goes and who recently built this Iranian toilet without a door. This is the second room, and you know, I was thinking who the owner is and why they don't take care of this precious building or house. By the way, this glass metal door have been installed about 30 or 40 years ago. This is one of the main rooms which was probably used as a room for days, and this is pastakhune or a storage place for household items. Oh my god, just look at the ceiling. Wow, and the beautiful view of the yard. The original floor was made of brick, but later cement was put on it, maybe when the metal door was installed. Oh, it's the porch, which is closed now. I don't know, maybe the heirs divided the house into two parts and sold it.
پله‌شو پله
In authentic Iranian architecture, houses were built below the street level. But why? First, they had more security. Second, they had more privacy. And the third, they were warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Wow, isn't it great? This is the first room or the guest room's door. Did you notice this house didn't have any electricity and lighting? It shows how old this is and how many years it's been abandoned. Ooh, another old house, but it's not empty. Here is also a destroyed part of the same house, which had a blocked passage. This is another old house with only one wall remaining.
کاغذ دیواری های اینو نقاشیه چون اینجاها رنگش رفته. بعد حیاط مرکزی بوده چون این وسطش آجره. بعد اینجا یه سری اتاق داشته، اونجا یه سری اتاق.
And this is the fourth old house in this alley. Unfortunately, it's completely ruined. On the way, I took videos of other old buildings, but none of them were as attractive, beautiful, and perfect as the first house. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and activate the bell to see more videos of amazing Iranian architecture. See you soon.